Hey, future moms! Welcome to this exciting journey. Today, I'm diving into something super important: the early signs of pregnancy you shouldn't ignore. Whether you're planning for a baby or just curious, these symptoms can be your first clues. Recognizing these signs early can help you take the necessary steps for a healthy pregnancy. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about fatigue. If you find yourself feeling unusually tired, even after a full night's sleep, it might be a sign. Your body is working hard even in those early days to support that tiny life inside you. This increased effort can leave you feeling more exhausted than usual. It's not just about feeling sleepy, it's a deep, bone-tired fatigue that can be hard to shake off. Next on the list is morning sickness. Despite the name, it can hit you any time of day. Nausea and vomiting can start as early as 2 weeks after conception. If you're feeling queasy, especially in the morning, it could be more than just something you ate. This queasiness is often one of the first signs that many women notice. It's caused by the rapid increase in hormones, particularly HCG, which supports the pregnancy. Now let's chat about changes in your breasts. Tenderness, swelling, or darkening of the areolas are common early signs. Your body is gearing up for breastfeeding, and these changes can happen quickly. You might notice your breasts feeling heavier or fuller. These changes are due to the increased levels of estrogen and progesterone in your body. Another biggie is frequent urination. If you're making more trips to the bathroom than usual, it might be because your body is increasing blood flow to your kidneys. This increased blood flow is necessary to help your body get rid of extra waste for both you and your baby. It's a subtle but important clue. You might also notice a heightened sense of smell or food aversions. Foods you once loved might suddenly make you feel sick. This is due to hormonal changes and can be an early indicator that you're pregnant. These aversions can be quite strong and can make it difficult to eat certain foods. And let's not forget about mood swings. If you're feeling unusually emotional, those fluctuating hormones can be the culprit. It's completely normal, but definitely something to keep an eye on. Mood swings can range from feeling elated one moment to crying the next. These emotional changes are due to the increased levels of hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Lastly, spotting and cramping can also be early signs. Light spotting, known as implantation bleeding, can occur when the fertilized egg attaches to the uterine lining. Mild cramps can accompany this too. These cramps are often similar to menstrual cramps but are usually milder. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it might be time to take a pregnancy test and consult your doctor. Early detection can help you start prenatal care right away, which is crucial for both you and your baby's health. Remember, every woman is different, and not everyone will experience all these symptoms. But being aware of them can definitely help you on your journey. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and advice on your pregnancy journey. Take care, and here's to a healthy and happy pregnancy. Remember, knowledge is power, and being informed can make your pregnancy journey smoother and more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns. Take care, and here's to a healthy and happy pregnancy.